I'm gonna make $100 by the end of the course by working on my or with my mom's small business in event planning by helping her move things and set up and stuff like that. Also in graphic designing for my sister's book.
One way that I'm going to make $100 by the end of the course is I will be cleaning my room and the kitchen. Another way that I'll be making $100 by the end of the course is I'll be mowing the lawn.
Two ways that I'll make $100 at the end of this course include you taking advantage of an opportunity I have at KSU to review courses for profit, and another way would be to sell things on eBay that I no longer use.
Two ways I can earn $100 is one, babysitting, which I already do, and two, helping my mom with the yard.
So, two ways I make $100 by the end of the course. Well, one way I can do it is my birthday's today, so I already made more than $100. And another way I plan on doing it was I have a car wash business, and I wash cars around the neighborhood. I charge $40 to $50 per truck and SUV, and then $30 to $40 per car, for like sedan and stuff like that, depending on the size and how dirty it is.
And that'll help me meet my long term goals by giving me the funds to invest in myself and my talents to gain more money in the future.
And this will help me with my long-term goals because when planning out how much money I want to make to buy the things I want later, I can add this to the funds.
This will help me to make my long-term goals is I will be able to put down payments or to even start putting money towards things like college tuition, which is a major part of my long-term goals for the future.
A goal that I have for my future self is to make $2,000. Was it? No, 2,000 by my senior year of high school, or by the end of senior year. Another one is to kind of get my business off the ground.
This will help me meet my long term goals because I have a long term goal of having six figures in my bank account by the end of my collegiate career. And since I'm a rising sophomore, doing that and this happening would just put me one step closer to reaching my goal of having six figures by the end of my collegiate career. I still have 3 more years to achieve my goal.